where cold water meets harsh rocks and a beautiful oasis. Visit Wadi, one of the most beautiful and popular oases. After I first decided to go to a place where I could do something I had not done yet, to go to a wadi where I could actually swim and escape the heat by having a refreshing dip in some cool water. So I go off the big road here now, so we will see the nature and for the swim in its water-filled pools. This is a pretty nice road here, very curvy and going to the mountains again after I have been to the desert flats. And so far it doesn't feel so busy, so let's hope that the wadi is as empty as the roads here. I think I'm getting closer now. I just arrived at the wadi and is the most famous and maybe as well most popular of all wadis. In the middle of rough rocks and sharp mountains, there is this beautiful oasis with crystal clear water and palm trees. Locals say that Wadi is one of the most beautiful and well-kept oases in the whole country. The deep green, pleasantly cool freshwater pools offer the perfect contrast to the great and colorless beautiful landscape surrounding it. So leaving this beautiful oasis, and yes, it was definitely worth it. Guys, I hope you liked this episode and leave a thumbs up and comment.